Confidence doesn't arrive all at once. It grows through small, repeatable actions. In this lesson, you'll use a simple 10-minute routine to practice, reflect, and track progress, so speaking feels clearer, calmer, and more consistent. So far, you've been moving from quiet technical expert to learner-centered trainer. You've worked through fear, self-doubt, and presence. Now we'll turn those foundations into daily rituals that make confidence easier to repeat. Speaking feels less intimidating when your brain stops treating it like a rare, high-stakes event. Start with small, low-pressure practice. A short answer, a recorded thought, or a brief conversation. Each repetition creates a safer experience. Safer experiences reduce anxiety, and lower anxiety makes the next attempt easier. Over time, those small wins become a ritual, and confidence becomes a skill you build daily. Think of confidence as something you train, not something you wait for. A daily ritual gives you a clear path. Wake up the body, warm up the voice, focus the mind, practice one small speaking moment, then reflect. You do not need a long session or a perfect performance. You need a short routine you can repeat, because consistency lowers resistance and builds real speaking muscle. Use this routine as your daily speaking workout. First, calm your body with slow breathing and a posture reset. Next, wake up your voice with gentle sounds, clear articulation, and a few exaggerated words. Then speak for a few minutes on one simple prompt, without stopping to judge yourself. Finish by reviewing what worked, scoring your confidence, and choosing one tiny improvement for tomorrow. Before you speak, reset your body. Sit or stand tall, without locking yourself rigid. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw and soften your neck. Then breathe in slowly through your nose and make the exhale longer through your mouth. That longer exhale signals safety to your nervous system. After 3 breaths, your thoughts will usually begin to slow down with your body. Once your body is settled, give your voice a quick warm-up. Start with a gentle hum, feeling vibration in your lips and face. Then open the vowels, A, E, O, U, and finish word endings cleanly. Try phrases like clear code comments or cloud security service. Finally, read one sentence slowly and clearly. Keep it easy. The goal is activation, not volume or strain. For the speaking portion, choose one simple prompt, such as, "Today I will explain my favorite hobby to a beginner." Set a timer for 2 to 3 minutes, then keep speaking, even if your sentences are not perfect. Use a predictable pattern. Make your main point, explain why it matters, give one example, then recap. The win is finishing the practice, because consistency builds fluency faster than overthinking. Technical prompts help connect what you know with how you explain it. Choose familiar topics like APIs, databases, cloud storage, or firewalls, so your brain is not busy learning new content. Practice explaining the idea clearly for a learner. You might define a concept, troubleshoot a common issue, or teach a tool or workflow. The skill is simplifying accurately, keeping the meaning correct while removing unnecessary jargon. After each practice session, review yourself like a coach. Begin by naming what worked, because confidence grows when progress is visible. Then choose one small improvement for tomorrow, not 5. Avoid labels like bad or awkward. They shut learning down. Use neutral language instead. Today, I noticed my pace increased near the end. Tomorrow, I will pause before key points. That keeps feedback practical, specific, and kind. Tracking makes confidence easier to see. After each practice session, give yourself a simple 1 to 5 score for confidence, clarity, energy, and hesitation. Then write 2 quick notes. One thing that improved, and one thing to practice tomorrow. The goal is not to judge yourself every day. It is to collect evidence. When you review the week, patterns appear. Stronger delivery, fewer pauses, better focus, and clearer next steps. A useful scorecard turns a vague feeling into something observable. Confidence is how comfortable you felt while speaking. Clarity is whether your message was easy to follow. Energy is how engaged, alive, and present you sounded. Hesitation tracks pauses caused by fear, confusion, or overthinking. Together, these metrics give you a fuller picture. You may feel nervous, but still be clear. Or you may feel confident but need more energy. That distinction helps you improve faster. Speaking confidence works a lot like fitness. You do not build it with one exhausting marathon workout. You build it with small sessions you can repeat. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes a day. On hard days, do the minimum. Even 2 minutes keeps the chain alive. Rotate prompts before they feel stale. Over time, the habit becomes part of your identity. I practice speaking daily. Now turn the ritual into a plan you can actually keep. Pick one practice time that fits your real life, not an ideal version of it. Choose a place where you can speak out loud without holding back. Prepare your prompts for the week before Monday begins. Then choose one tracking method simple enough to use daily. The goal is consistency. Remove decisions, reduce friction, and make confidence practice automatic. Confidence is no longer something you wait for. It is something you practice. Keep using the 10-minute ritual, track confidence, clarity, energy, and hesitation, and let small daily actions build consistency. Next, we'll strengthen your voice, fluency, and mind to mouth connection for clearer trainer delivery.